Welcome to Nail Mansion, USA!
If any students are downstairs who have not set up, or students downstairs, period, get them upstairs so we can set up properly. Thank you. Faye is so good. She's over here on her phone taking orders. The Faye Cafe. Oh, that kind of rhymed. The Faye Cafe. The Faye Cafe.
No, that's me!
I'll give my little spiel in about 2 minutes. And with these in submission. Can I get A? Can I get O? A lot of the techniques I'll be showing you guys through Bengal nails are interpretable. So you guys can freestyle them, and a lot of the things that I'm teaching you guys today is going to be up to your artistic interpretation as well. Don't feel you guys have to perfectly do it how I do it. Do it how you do it, add a little funk to it. I love to see personality in nail art. That's what makes everyone different, okay? Beautiful. So, without further ado.
Take the time to recognize it. You won't leave me even if I tried it. You're the artist, I'm the mess, and happily be found the new in your hands.
Hi guys, I'm Hirsch Hunty. I have been a nail tech for almost 9 years now. I am also a published nail artist. I have also competed, and I am a nail judge as well for many nail competitions across the United States, including Nail Olympia. I was first introduced from Nail Mansion by the lovely Kirsty Meakin, who is a colleague of mine, but also a great friend of mine. She really believed in me as an educator and really wanted to bring my wow factor in my art and in my aesthetic as an artist to each student that was invited to the Nail Mansion. And it truly has paid off because Nail Mansion has become one of my loves. I love this retreat. Every year I look forward to it, and I really love each attendee that comes every year. It's a brand new face every year, and it's always a great time at the Nail Mansion. So I'm gonna be starting with my first nail. I also wanna preface to you guys, I am a teacher that likes to teach and have your full engagement. If you guys feel the need to take notes, please do. Record, please do so. Just make sure you're paying attention while you're recording. I know a lot of times I can be at classes and I'll record and then I'll be like, wait, what did I just learn? So make sure when you are recording, you are learning for yourself as well. If you guys do post anything on social media from any of the techniques or videos that I do teach today, please do me a favor and mute them because we are in this exclusive room. And I would love for you guys to keep the knowledge right now to yourselves until we have other nail mansions or other trainings, okay? And also, when you guys are learning from me, I want you guys to have your full undivided attention to the screen. Don't start before the lights turn on, okay? Cool. Thank you guys. I'm not a dictator, I promise. I'm very nice. So, I have had the same pod of pigments since the first day I started doing nails. And as you can see, they are worn and torn to oblivion, but they still remain full. And they're one of the best investments I ever made because they made me a lot of money with nail art, okay? I have specialized a little bit of preference before we start about myself. If a lot of you guys don't know my backstory or know about me, I have been in the industry for about 9 years this year. September will be 9 years. I started when I was 17, fresh out of high school, and I was doing nails all throughout this time. And at first when I started, I said, I'll make some money real quick, you know, get the ball rolling. Maybe I'll do some hair later. I was trained in cosmetology, so my main focus was hair. So once I got into the nail industry, I really saw the love and the niche for behind the chair work and how frequent it was being to deal with one client at a time. So I pursued it and I loved it because I started to do nail art, and nail art was really where I shined. And as I was growing in nail art boomed. And I told myself from day one, I will never be committed to being in my shell. I will always be able to learn, look, and try to remix it to my skill set, or remix it to the best of my abilities from what I see on Instagram to recreate it for myself as well. So a lot of the techniques I'm showing you guys today is about salon nails. It's things that will make you fast money in the nail salon, but it is also very, very trendy, and it's going to help you keep up with the trends. if you're not knowledgeable about the basis of salon nails, you can't keep up with the trends because you'll start to lose focus on what the techniques actually are. Once you guys take my class, you'll be able to really look at Instagram, hopefully, and say, oh, this nail, they did it by using blah, 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 blah. And then that nail, same thing. So breaking down nail art is one of the funnest things because it shows you how to do it, but also your breakdown is totally different from somebody else's breakdown, okay? And that's what makes us artists at the end of the day.
I'm listening to your favorite song on the radio, and it just keeps repeating. Driving on familiar roads.
Our lovely, lovely staff at the Nail Mansion will be passing out the PLA sponsored kits for you guys. There is some. So once you guys get them, you guys can open them. There's some polishes in there and some top and base coats for you guys. If you guys want to use them today, by all means use them today. If not, feel free to use your own stuff as well.
Hirsch's class has been really informative so far. He's taught me to do some cat eyes in some different ways and taught me with some double chroming, which I was impressed by.
1, 2, 3.
Cute! Oh, okay. I was like, was there another one? Oh my god. How are we doing?
Good.
Love it. Love it. Love. Yes. Yes. Stunner. Ah! Oh my god, I almost had a catastrophe right here.
The greatest.
Have to let go.
Today, messing with like the nail art is my passion. So today it was like, oh, yes, I know what I'm doing. I got this.
Make sure you're closing each petal into each other. Yeah. Other than that, you have the formation down, which is good. It takes a lot of time, practice, and analyzing, like making sure each petal comes into each other. That way it looks enclosed, like right here. You could have closed that baby in right there, but you still can add some extra texture right there, just like I did this one, and close that in.
Today's class is going really well. I love doing nail art and learning about new trends. So this class is right up my alley. I'm really having fun.
I can smell fire. Can anybody else smell fire? I can smell fire.
Best fire drill I ever had.
Truly, truly, truly. Like, can't go wrong. Ice cream for ice cream.
If anybody guys have the powder palettes, the eyeshadow palette like this, please don't be scared. All you have to do is ruffle your brush against the solid grain of the eyeshadow, and you're going to make a powder, okay?
I need man tools.
I need man tools is crazy.
What?
You need a man.
I just need the orange. I mean the pink. I got the orange. I know.
It's the you know what the problem is? I know.
I know.
You know what the problem is?
Me.
If you like,
Yes, you.
if you open one by accident, it like almost opens that blue, and then it's like if I keep cranking it, that blue will come off.
Yeah.
So we see how right here, we have the purple, we have the pink. Do you see this little bit of whiteness in between the two? That means that you have not added enough pigment on either side, and there's a line of demarcation in the middle that still requires pigment, okay? So what are you gonna do? Purple is stronger than pink. Pink is a weaker color. I'm going to add some pink. Okay? And I'm going to make sure that I reinstate the extra powder first on top of the pink. And then I'm going to clean my brush off. And with the excess, I'm going to feather it on top of that line of demarcation to now blend the two together. Do we see that? Yeah? Better blend. Okay, PSA is over.
Today's class, it's stuff that I already do. But what's crazy about it, even though I've done it already and I have certain products and I do certain techniques, I'm still learning because there's different ways that Hirsch does things that is giving me more pointers to work faster or proficient whenever I do that specific design or art technique.
You guys ready to be crowned queens from Hirsch Hunty? Yeah. Let's get it. So I just want to thank everyone for putting their best foot forward today. I know today was kind of a creative day where we got to kind of learn my techniques, but also put your own spin and personality on things. Each and every one of you guys, from the bottom of my heart, truly impressed me. I have taught group classes before, and this level of excellence has not been exceeded yet. You guys have set the top tier of what greatness is from a class. You guys learned, you guys took my criticism well. You guys took everything that I taught inside of the class and really honed in, and it reflected in your work today. And I'm so proud of each and every one of you for bringing yourselves out here, learning, opening yourselves up to new possibilities, new techniques, and also learning from me as well. And I thank you humbly.
I just want to thank Hirsch for coming on this amazing little adventure with us at Nail Mansion, because he's an incredible teacher, an incredible artist.
Thank you.
Who keeps growing at a rate that I've never seen before.
Thank you.
We are very good friends, obviously.
It's my ducky.
Very good friends, and I absolutely love this guy, and it's an absolute pleasure, to have you here, part of Nail Mansion. On the table over there is everybody's work. Now is the time to show love and shed light on you all. Go and have a look. But before you do that, pop outside because we've got something.
Surprise! These girls definitely had me a little nervous, on edge. I was definitely thinking they were going to be resistant to learning and definitely going to be a little bit anxious about creating these techniques that I taught them today. But today, they brought the wow factor. Every single one of them really impressed me from top to bottom. They really listened to every technique that I taught, every detail that I was giving inside of my instruction was really brought to light in their art, and their art at the end of the day really does reflect it. This was probably the best group class I've ever taught in my entire career, and I'm so proud of each and every one of them. I cannot wait for the next one. It's gonna be great.
But these opportunities have been so incredible, even just for me. I think the people that I've met, the fun that we've had, you know, and that time, I think if you were to not take up them opportunities, you'd regret it.
So I mean that is true, because that's why I really feel that words can describe the atmosphere, what it's here.
Yeah.
How everybody's family and friendly to each other. Nobody's here to compete.
No.
Nobody's here to put someone down.
No.
Nobody's here telling anybody that you don't know how to do this.
It's about the community.
It
it's
is.
like we're a big family.
Yeah.
Supporting
Connections,
each other.
relationships, rapport, networking. You know, it's just bonding.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, I am Chef Drew with Passion Flame Kitchen. The other days, I had other chefs come assist me, but tonight I'm here with you guys. Tonight is pasta night. It's Wednesday. So we have spaghetti and meatballs. They're beef meatballs, and we have jerk chicken rasta pasta and Caesar salad. Cheese is on the side for whoever's allergic, and we have extra chicken if anybody wants to just do, you know, like a Caesar chicken salad, you know, low carb. So yeah, simple but delicious. Yeah, the girls, they're very chill, they're relaxed. Every time I come in, they're very polite. So yeah, nothing crazy, you know.
I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm missing one.
The way that we've played it before, and we've always felt like it worked best, was we allocated certain job roles.
So we have this one. Okay, so we have that.
Terrence Oscar something has changed to Craig Dexter Flint.
Colby Cooper's 1982 classic, ? What's wrong with you?
We definitely need to get key information off of these, and then we can work forward.
Right here, right here.
Key fob.
Key fob.
Well, but it's very muffled, but we could still hear it.
Thank you for watching the Nail Mansion episodes. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and all that shebang. I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ra, duck.